Hi, my name is Sumo. I'm an engineer and a STEM educator. We are a US-based organization teaching STEM in underdeveloped countries. These are the kids learning STEM education in summer camp using LEGO education set. This video was shot second or third days of the camp. With LEGO education sets, within few days of the program, they work together, learn together, and play while having fun. It is really good to see their learning progress.
We're very excited to have all of you here. You know, a STEM competition is really about the future.
Here the common goal is to train these 120 youngsters with science, technology, engineering, mathematics, plus real-world problem-solving skills.
Sometimes we need to adjust the lesson on the fly to fit their background and knowledge level. Most of the time in after-school programs, kids are from different grades and different schools with a various social environment. We usually mix them and form a group in a table so that they can learn from each other. In the beginning, kids typically don't want to mix, they want to stay in their group. For the students who are familiar with the first learner, we combine with the students who are not. These are the kids come up with their learn by heart methodology in their whole life. As you can see, they now have self-confidence, group participation, willing to apply their knowledge and self-directed motivation to learn. They are now becoming creative lifelong learners. Some instance, we are not able to direct them to write down their finding in their worksheet. When we ask verbally, they can give us a correct answer. Later we found out that they are being afraid of scolding if they make a mistake, as like in their regular classroom. Changing a positive mindset toward learning is the most challenging part of our job. Encouraging, facilitating, engaging are the ways to make them successful learners. You have to make sure what they have learned today is something that they can use in their classroom and something that they can use for their future.